Hey guys, hey, and welcome back to my channel. For my oldies, what's goody? And for everyone else, hey, my name's Anissa. So today I am back and super excited about the Whitney Simmons V3 collection dropping on Gymshark today in a few minutes. I am so excited. I mean, if you couldn't tell already. Whitney is my girl. I love everything about her. She's definitely one of those people that has helped to inspire and motivate me on my wellness journey. When I was in the gym, definitely someone that I looked up to and used her workouts. From the beginning, I've always been a fan for years and years and years. And when she dropped the first collection, I was so excited. I got, I think 4 pieces from that collection. It sold out so incredibly fast. It was really unbelievable. And then with the second collection, V2, dropped about a year ago. I think it was still September. Don't quote me on that. But there was new colors. She had updated everything. The research that she's done to change things, taking people's feedback, like, she's so amazing. And now we're at version 3. Oh my gosh. This is the only time of the year that I get so excited for athletic wear. Apart from just wanting to support her, I just love all the colors in this collection coming out. Usually I go for the more neutral colors. The first launch I got, I think it was called the Whitney Gray, or it was a gray. Second collection I got mostly black, but I did get 3 pieces in the cherry chocolate, which I know everyone was a little bit, it seemed to be disappointed that it was like a purplish hue, not as chocolate, but it was called cherry chocolate, so it definitely lived up to its name, and I know I was loving it. I've traveled many different countries in these collections, and I love the fit, the feel. The pieces match so seamlessly, and you just look good, so you feel good. Could not wait to support your girl again, and I'm really excited. I haven't really been on Gymshark or following emails like that, so I could have potentially missed the launch. But thank goodness, probably like a week or 2 ago, I saw the email come through, and you know, I had to get up here, show you what it's like to get one of these collections. I kid you not, the last collection probably got sold out in about 4 minutes. 4 minutes! I had everything in my cart, so excited to pay, and as I'm like paying, things are just getting sold out. So there was a couple of things. I've never been able to snag a pair of her joggers because they just sell out like hotcakes, literally. And I'm hoping that this collection, maybe they have a little bit more of a supply to for the demands, and that I know I'm going to get everything that I want. So I actually made a list. That is my alarm, 5-minute countdown till launch time. Yes. So I have already, I put my phone on Do Not Disturb. Don't want anybody messing with this order. I have already signed into Gymshark. I do have a coupon code that I use, so I will just continuously refresh this. I have a notebook. Definitely did my research here, checked out the colors, checked out what, I'm like so out of breath from being so excited. Checked out the items that are gonna be in this collection. She added quite a few more pieces, took a couple pieces out, added in a lot of accessories, and I know what I wanna get in what color. So this is seamless this is gonna go. I have done my research, been through this 2 times already, and this time I know I'm coming for you, Whitney. I'm coming for all the stuff that I want. I'm telling you right now. Got it, and done. So clearly I'm gonna be using Apple Pay. It makes it a little bit more easy, a little easier, but I do have my debit card right here where I can just get to everything. We got 1 minute. Here we are. We're on the Gymshark site. Definitely, I'm already signed in, so that way it's easier for me to check out. Oh my gosh, my heart is beating. I can't wait to get this stuff. I really can't. Here we go. I have everything listed, all the colors. We're gonna do this as quick as possible, as seamless as possible. We're not missing out on anything this launch. Anything. Here we go. Whew. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. Yes, here it is. Shop Whitney. Okay, already. At this point, I am not even looking at pricing. I'm just putting the stuff in my cart, calling it a day. You're in line to check out. Do not refresh this page. Due to high traffic, you have been placed in a queue to check out. When it's your turn, the checkout will load automatically. Do not refresh this page. Please do not refresh this page, it keeps saying. Okay, so I'm not refreshing the page, It is 2:04 right now. 2:04, got my 13 things that I had listed down. It is more expensive than I was expecting it to be, but at least you can always return. You just can't. 2:04, get me in the queue. I need to check out. This is what it looks like. It's just loading. As you can tell right now, I am wearing the Whitney collection from V2. Whoo, baby, let me tell you. Whoo, I can't, everything still needs to be in my cart. Everything will still be in my cart. Everything is in my cart. I did really good this time, guys. I can't almost even breathe right now. I'm shaking. Whitney, look at what you do to people. Gymshark, it's not even Whitney, it's Gymshark. Get more stuff. Get a higher volume of stock because people love Whitney. They love Whitney, they wanna support her. Clearly we love Gymshark. I feel like when it's a high volume like this, stuff like this happens. There is crashes that people talk about all the time. All types of confused at the moment. It just shows that you could be super prepared and super ready and it still doesn't go the way that you plan it. Oh no, there's a problem loading the website. So I'm now on my laptop doing this. So now I have it going on my laptop and on my phone. My laptop says you're in line to check out. Do not refresh this page. Same thing as last time. But I honestly don't know if everything that I want. I'm putting in my coupon code on my phone now. I'm paying now. I am paying now. Your order is being processed. If you're not automatically redirected, refresh this page. Did I get everything? I got 13 things. I got 13 things. This has never happened. Yes! My order was yes! Oh my God, so excited, so excited. Your order is confirmed. Yes! Yes! Okay, now I would like to see if I go up on the site, what is sold out yet? Because if nothing's sold out yet, that means that they added a lot more inventory to this time around. Yes! Go me! Goodness gracious, I can't believe it, guys. I cannot believe it. The first time in Whitney history, I got everything I wanted. Pat myself on the back. We did this, sis. We did this. Come through. And of course, like I said, if I don't like anything, thank God I can always return it. But It's making sure you get everything you want. Sold out, it is sold out, it is gone, dunzo, that's it, bye-bye. So now I'm just gonna go to my emails and check my emails and make sure I have a confirmation email showing everything that my little heart desires. I don't see one, I don't see a confirmation email. What's going on? I got no confirmation email. But hey, it says, thank you, I paid. I'm so excited for these new colors. I got 8 different colors. We have pollen, which is a lovely yellow. We have eucalyptus, which is the color of AKA eucalyptus. We have dandelion chocolate, which I'm very excited for. We have the peony pink, the gold blue, unbleached, which is an off-white, and mink, which is gray, as well as black. I am so ecstatic about my purchase. I cannot wait for these things to come in so I can show you what they look like. Dun, dun, dun. It does say shipping delay. Hey, just so you know, due to current labor issues in the USA, your order may take a little longer to get to you than usual. Please allow up to 10 working days for your order to arrive, but don't worry, we're doing our best to keep up to speed, and we hope you love it when it arrives. Yes! Of course I'm gonna love it when it arrives. Why would I not? So I am just like super excited, ecstatic to get my package, to try it on, to see the colors, and to get back into my wellness routine. A lot of you probably don't know, or maybe you do, but I have been MIA for the past few months because I got married. So I got married, I got engaged in May 20th, 4/20, and we got married on June 13th. So I had about 6 weeks and a couple of days to plan our wedding, and that took all of my energy. It took all of my time. It literally took every bit of everything from me to make the wedding possible. And it's been a struggle, honestly, for me to get back into my routine, my schedule, what I want to do to fulfill me and to fulfill my purpose here in the world. I wonder how many of you could relate to that, but I am doing it in my time. I'm honoring myself, and I have no doubt in my mind that everything is coming as it should come. I'm really not pressing anything. I'm not prolonging anything. I'm really in this state of just being, of staying present and being with me, all of my parts. This collection also helped to boost my motivation in getting back into movement and moving my body every day and doing things that make me feel good. So while I was on the honeymoon, I enjoyed my honeymoon so much. Like, loved everything about my honeymoon. But we were on our honeymoon for 3 weeks, and I was eating whatever I wanted, drinking whatever I wanted, being in the moment, and I gained some weight that was clearly worth it while I was there. But as I come back home and I'm into my everyday life, it doesn't make me feel that great. honestly makes me feel bad sometimes about myself. Part of me doesn't like the way that I look, and that in turn has me feeling a certain way. So I have been slowly but surely getting back into a routine of cardio, exercising, yoga, all of these things that soothe, enhance, encourage, motivate, and heal me. So with all that being said, I'm super ready to get back into a more consistent routine for myself. And I always love having a good outfit to help me feel good about myself. Getting this clothes has already motivated me in a way to start getting in that movement and getting my body back to the way that I want it to feel for me. And I'm just really excited about that, if you couldn't tell. So when this package comes in, I'm busting it open and busting out of this place that I've been in. I'm tired living in this, and I am ready to be me. If you made it to the end of the video, hashtag athletic wear in the comment section below. And as always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring that bell so you're notified every time I drop a new video. Definitely gonna be up here again. I got some time now. I'm already married. I already did that. So now we're ready to get back into the tea. Until next time, peace from Nisa.